me daddy so I can get a phone.
Yeah, I know about that. It wouldn't.
Alright, you just take out the DY, just call me dad. So
Are you for real?
Yes. Call
Right
me
now?
No, not right now. I'll give you a cue when I go like this. When I go like this. Look. That's what your cue. So I'm at AT&T trying to upgrade my phone from the 8 Plus. I had this phone for a minute. I never cared to upgrade, but AT&T told me I can do an upgrade for the low ski. Check it out. So right now, they're doing the best deals for the best dads. Trade that joint in, $700 credit. I ain't a dad, but I'm trying to get the best deal. I'm gonna pretend like I'm in here with my sons. Yo. So the deals are for the best dads, right? So I'm gonna call you son. Make sure you call me daddy.
No, thank you.
Call me daddy so I can get a
No, thank you, sir. Yeah, you don't need to do that to get a phone. Like, I'm not doing that.
Just call me daddy.
No, thank you.
Alright.
Try something different to get a phone.
Yeah. So the best. Are you calling yourself?
No, I'm calling that girl.
Alright. So look. So the best deals are for the best dads. Alright. So call me daddy so I can get a phone.
Yeah, I know about that. It wouldn't.
Alright. You just take out the DY. Just call me dad. So
Are you for real?
Yes.
Right now?
No, not right now. I'll give you a cue when I go like this. When I go like this. Look. That's what your cue.
Okay.
Alright, bet. No, saying you call me dad.
Yeah, I'm not with that mess.
You don't want to see me get a new phone, man. You don't want to. Shh. Call me daddy.
No.
Okay.
Come on.
I'm not calling
Son.
you. Stop it. All I gotta say is like, Dad, can I get this phone?
Cute.
Dad, can I get this phone?
Yes. Flash, test run. Flash. I think he's broke. I think he's broken. No.
I'm smart.
Look. Alright, let me show you how it's done. Look.
I can't get you guys over here.
You can get reset button, bro.
Looking to do the upgrade trade-in?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's your phone number?
609.
Ooh, what is it? That's the phone they want. Oh, okay.
Appreciate you.
This is what you need to get.
What's your phone number? Sorry.
609.
609.
8. I'm just trying to be the best dad, get the best deals.
So you needed something else?
Call me daddy.
Which one?
No, you missed your cue. You're supposed to call me daddy again.
You said dad. You didn't say daddy.
Call me dad.
Hey, Dad.
Best deals for the best dads. Just like that. iPhone 12 on the body, baby. That max life. Watch how you get in the car, but I couldn't. Call me dad.
No. No, thank you. But it's funny. You didn't get to touch your own phone first. Don't need to.
Yeah, new phone. Who does? New phone? Who that? Let's make this something.
No, thank you.
Sorry.
Okay, is this thing on? Alright, vlog. I know I haven't been here in a while. I know I haven't done this in a while. You know, we can't all be Aaron, you know? We don't own the camera. He owns the camera. But I just want to take a chance to say what's going on. Hold up. Hold up. Oh, shoot. What's up? What's popping? That, like, you know? That's just the little stuff. I'm just trying to, you know, come on here and be like, what's poppin'? I'm sorry. But, I just wanted to say hi. How's your day going? Happy Father's Day. Yeah.